Let's get ready to go to the basketball game.
Development player, Marta Suarez. From Indiana, number 5. Development player, Shea Chesky. A 5'11" guard from Cameroon, number 8, Monique Akali. A 6'1" forward from Australia, number 15, Annalie Bailey. Making her WNBA debut from Florida Gulf Coast, number 20. Number 31, Kiara Linston. A 5, number 1, Wnba. A 5'7" guard from number 23, Kiana Williams. A rookie, Haley 29, Yovana Nugic. Number 33, Sammy starting 5, a 6'1" forward from France, wearing number 11, Valou Ayayi. And 6'3" from Oklahoma State, number 4, Natasha Mack. A 6'4", 24, Dorota Butler. She's the league's all-time triple doubles leader, standing 6'2", from Maryland, the engine, number 25, Alyssa Foul's charge number 31, Kiara Linston. It's her first personal. First team foul. Foul's charge number 24, Wnba. Her first personal. Second team foul.
It's the following day. Today we are going to complete the bucket. We are going to make our laundry soap, and this is going to be liquid laundry soap. I did a DIY laundry washing powder about 5 years ago. If you haven't seen that video, go back and watch that for the laundry washing powder. It's basic. It's almost the same. It's similar. It's the same ingredients. Some ingredients are the same. Laundry booster and the Borax. That's what we're going to use today. And also some soap. I already started shaving some. This is the Kirk's Castile soap that we're going to use for the liquid laundry detergent. It comes in a pack of 4. It comes in a pack of 4 at 4 ounces. 1.5 bars will get you like 5 gallons, so it will fill this up and you can use that. We're not going to do that today. We're not going to do that. We're just going to do probably less than half. So I already started shaving some. I did like half of it. It's like 2.2 ounces right now. I'm going to shave a little bit more to show you how I do it. So, and I said I was going to show you what I got my daughter for her birthday, because this video is coming out after her birthday. We're going to use this measuring cup as well. At the mall, we stopped in Lush, and this is the filler gift that I was talking about. We went to Lush and we got this. It's called the Rose Gem Body Spray, and she gave some samples as well. The Rose Gem Shower Gel. So I'm gonna put this in a box. Both of these, I'm gonna put both of them in a box. And these are some skates, some roller skates. So I bought my daughter some roller skates about 2.5, 3 years ago. I think from the same company actually. And I believe they got stolen out the car. I'm not for sure what happened to them, but she doesn't have them. So I bought her some more. Yeah. All right. So we want to start with the soap. And I already started shaving some. And this is the old one that I use. I use this, I've been having this for 5 years now. But what I'm going to do is actually I'm going to get a rotating one so I don't have to struggle as much, because it's a little bit difficult to hold this and it goes all over. That's why I did most of it off camera. So I'm going to do another 0.2 ounces because I'm not making 5 gallons. I am not. I'm just going to do, I'm going to do 8 pounds. Yeah, I'm going to do 8 pounds. So that's why I'm only doing half of this. 2 ounces. 2 ounces of this soap. And if you may or may not know this about me, but I like to find deals. I'm a couponer. Well, I was a couponer. I used to coupon a lot and save a lot of money on different items, household, hygiene, cooking, food. I used to coupon, and if you go back and see my other videos, you will see that I did, when there's a neighborhood garage sale, I will sell my things. And I also went to like different markets and sell some things. Again, you can see that in my previous videos. That's what I did. I use apps. I still use the apps when I go grocery shopping or when I go shopping. I will scan my apps and stuff. If I can find a sale, a deal, if I can find a sale or a deal on some items, I most definitely will pick it up. Like recently, laundry detergent. I recently picked up some Arm & Hammer. Let me show you. This is not the one that I picked up. Like, this is a smaller one. This is empty. I'm going to put the laundry detergent that we're going to make, I'm going to put it in here. So, but the one that I got is the sensitive skin, the Arm & Hammer one. I got 2 of those. I think the price was, regular price $9.99, or was that the sale price? I'm not sure. I ended up paying $5.98 for two. So if there's something on sale, if there's a good deal, if there's some coupons, it only makes sense for me to get it because that's something that we use consistently. And I'm not making a big batch anymore. I'm not making that big of a batch anymore. This is going to be the exact same amount as that, and however long it takes us to make it, it's going to rotate. We're just going to continue to rotate it in and out, you know. So that's why I'm making this, and plus I want to share my information with you. So if I know it, you know it. This is a way to, if you don't want to use Arm & Hammer, this is actually a good way to make your own laundry detergent. This is Castile soap, and it's derived from coconut. I was going to say a coconut plant. It's derived from coconut, so it's organic. That doesn't matter to me at all, but if it matters to you, it's organic. Those, I'm not for sure. These laundry boosters and borax, I don't know. But anyway, it may be an option. Again, 1.5, well, I don't know if I said it, but 1.5 bar will make 5 gallons of liquid laundry detergent. So, I'm just letting you know. That 1.5 bar. And this bar, a 4-pack, don't cost no more than, how much did I pay? I want to say no more than $5. No more than $5 for a pack of 4. A pack of 4. The borax, I don't know how much it would cost. $5. We're just gonna say $5 and $5. I'm just gonna say, you know, what is that? 1.5 bars to make 5 gallons? What? That's nice. That's nice. So again, I'm just showing you what you can do. This is an alternative to all the laundry detergents that's on the shelf in your store. There is clean and organic laundry detergent that you don't have to go through this. No. Are you spending more money when you do that, buying organic laundry detergent? You can. If you have time, I have the time today, right now. I have the time right now to do it. So that's why I'm showing you. And I put it in a pot because I gotta put water in here. We gotta dissolve the soap. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I hope this is at, you think I got 2 ounces? No, 0.2 ounces. I don't need a full 2 ounces because I already got some in here. I got like 1.8 or something in here. So that's why I'm going to get a rotating grater, because my hand is in an uncomfortable position, but I'm doing it to show you. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for you. Okay? Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe too. It will really help. Thanks. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Right on the nose. This is a full 2 ounces. So we'll put that back in here. We're gonna save it for next time. We're gonna save it for next time, and maybe next time we will do a larger batch. Let me show you. And I did it fine. I don't know if you can see. Okay, I went ahead and put 1 cup of borax and 1 cup of the Arm & Hammer laundry soap. Let me go ahead and hurry up because of my camera. The same thing that was happening last time. It keep going out, I'm not sure. But the soap water is done. Let's go ahead and, in here, in the bucket. Again, we're gonna do, ooh, steamy. We're going to do 8 pounds of this. Okay, there's 8 pounds in here. We got the water, the soap that's dissolved. Let's go ahead and put our borax and our washing soda in here. Woo. I'm gonna go ahead and give that a stir. And with this, you can use other soaps. You know the soap that I used in my first video, the Zoid soap. You can use that as well in the Fast Napa. You can use that one too. With those soaps, those will gel up, so you will have to scoop it out when you want to use it. This soap will not gel up. It's going to stay liquid. Ooh, you got to make sure you stir that really good because I feel the powder in there. So I'm going to stir it up. We're going to do this, and I'm going to take a shower. After I bottle this up, I'm going to go in there and take a shower, relax my body. And I think at this point is when you want to add your essential oils. I don't have any essential oils that I would like to add in here. I have mint and peppermint or something like that. Personally, I don't want my clothes smelling like mint or peppermint because this just smells like soap. That's all it smells like. It smells like soap. So I think this is all stirred up enough. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put it in here. What is it, reuse? reduce and reuse, reuse and reduce. And that's what we're doing. I do have a dispenser, a beverage or a water dispenser that I can use to make, make a bigger batch. But this is fine. And it looks white. It's not clear because duh is soap. But yeah. Ooh, that went on my sock. This is all you do for this one, for this batch. That's all I'm doing to make a DIY liquid laundry detergent. I'll pick you guys back up tomorrow.
Alyssa Thomas at the line, shooting for 2.
I don't know. Let's go get my hair done. Oh my God. Y'all ready for the transformation? Let's get it done. I'm out the salon. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. What do you guys think about it? Oh my goodness. It's been a while since I had my hair professionally done like this, but I am enjoying. I like it. I like it so much. What do you think? What do you think? And this is real gray. It's my gray. Yes. Yeah, I've seen it in all my videos. So yes, I didn't put this here. It's mine. Oh, that looks so nice. What do y'all think? How do you like it? Gonna have her cut more. Probably have her cut off like 6 inches or so.
6 inches?
Yeah, why not?
That's a lot.
I know. We are on our way to the nail shop. I'm not getting my nails done. No, we're on our way to Sam's and then the nail shop. I'm going to end this video here. We did a lot. We went to 2 basketball games. The Phoenix Mercury basketball game. The first game they lost. They played against Minnesota Lynx. Is it the Minnesota? I'm going to say the Minnesota Lynx. And the second one was Chicago Sky. And we won. Mighty, mighty Mercury. So we went to the basketball games. We went to the gym. And I also did a DIY liquid laundry detergent. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like and subscribe. Goodbye.